everybody, and welcome to Every Shade of Purple. It's your girl Siobhan. Hi. Okay, so I got some hair in. I've been doing a lot of longer styles, but I wanted to go short, and I got some new hair in. Flotig hair. Flotig hair. Oh, there it goes. Flotig hair. And what I got was the Pretwisted Passion Twist hair, and it's 10-inch. I got 7 packs. Then I got an extra 2 packs in a different color. So they sell them in packs of 7, but you can also get packs of 2 if you want it to be a little bit fuller. Okay, let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. Let's see what we got going on. All right, and this is the hair. And I got this hair in number 2. I wanted it like a light brown. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 per packet. This is gonna be cute. I haven't done short hair in such a long time. We'll see. So there's 12 per packet, and it comes with 7. So 7 times 12 is 7 times 12 is 84. So there'll be 84 of these. But I also got what color did I get here? I also got Tb30. Cause I did red hair before, and now I just have like a flair for color. This is not red. It's like a red tinted color, which is really, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in. I have decided to make a wig because I have to change my hair so much, so much. So I got this cornrow pro cap. It's 1B color. It's a size small. Oh shit, I got a big old head. I didn't pay attention to that. I think this will be a cool style for me to like change in and out of. So I'm gonna make a little wig. And oh, this is by Vivica Fox. Thanks, Vivica. Let's see if this is gonna even fit my head. What? Oh Lord, I got a big old head. Jesus, what was I thinking? Okay, cornrow cap. Oh, it's fine. Okay. So first thing I am going to do, I'm still going to wear my wig cap. Now, I'm going to take this. Okay, it has 2 combs. It does like these U's. So I feel like you could probably put it any way you want. Because like this, you could have it like if you wanted a U part. Or you could just have it like straight backs like that. Okay, put the clip in the front, in the back. I'm gonna probably take this braid out in the front and braid it lower. Got the crochet needle. This is really simple. This shouldn't take me long at all. So it's pre-looped at the top. You take the crochet needle, stick it on through, hook, close it. I like to just hook it back around, close it again, and then pull the hair through. And voila, look at that. Easy peasy. I'm gonna do it again. Closer so you can see. Take the crochet needle, stick it through the hair. Keep it open. Once you get the hair in the hook, close it. Try to keep it closed. Push it through, open it, hook again, close the hook, pull it through, then let it go just to make sure you don't mess this up. And then voila, look at that. Look at that. I do like it. I don't normally do the short. And I feel like the next thing I'm gonna do with this, after like maybe a few days of having it twisted, is I think I'm gonna do a twist out look. So y'all stay tuned for that, because that's coming real soon. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all throughout. I'm not gonna keep it on my head. I'm just gonna sit down, watch TV, and push this together, and then I'm gonna put it on my head, and y'all gonna see. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. See you in a second. Okay, so here is the finished product. Now, I chose not to do a leave out because I am going to Thanksgiving dinner and I'm late. And I had to do this right before Thanksgiving. So I didn't do a leave out, but what I did was like brush my hair out and over. I probably need to brush a little bit more out and over this band. I'll just probably just keep my hair up in the front. I think that this hair is beautiful. Look at how pretty it is. I really, 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 I wanted everybody to see it like this, but I really want to untwist it. I just want to see what the fro life is like. It's beautiful. I would say this. The one thing I would say is I think you should, no matter what, even if I did a wig, so I probably needed more hair, but I would still get the +2 packs because I just like my hair to look fuller. If you don't care about that, but because it's crochet, you want to be able to cover up all the braids. So I would do that. Also, if you get a wig cap like mine, these small braids, I don't know if you can see it, I wouldn't get this small braids. I would get the bigger ones because it was really hard to cover them up. When I throw my hair over like this, you don't see it. Now, if you were doing crochet with your hair, you wouldn't have that problem. I wanted to have the convenience of a wig. So next time I know when I get a wig cap to get the ones with the bigger cornrows, not the small cornrows. I think that's what they meant by small. I got smaller cornrows. So I would get bigger cornrows, and but what I did do was I would put two of the braids together like this and then attach it like that so you can see less of it. So yeah, you can see this, but I mean, that would be the same thing if you did it with your hair. But as far as this hair is concerned, I love it. It's beautiful. And I'm like happy with the short. I love long passion twists, I ain't gonna lie. But this is cute, hunty. Oh, and I can't wait to do a video when I untwist these. Oh, it's over for all of you. Over. So once again, Flotig hair, Flotig. Their hair is beautiful. I would recommend. The packaging was nice. It smells good. It looks good, honey. And this was very quick. It took me an hour. I had an hour to get ready for Thanksgiving. I was cooking and doing this at the same time. I put the cap on my knee and just started doing it away. What I would suggest too is to keep putting the cap back on your head to check and see where you need to fill in and then take it back off and then do it that way. Yes, I would take the wig off, but I just secured the pay wig. So I'm not going to unsecure it. Pay wig is wig in Creole. But yeah, this is really cute. I would suggest this. Oh my God, look at me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Short hair don't care. Short hair don't care. Thank you, Flotig hair. I want another one because this is cute. Thank you, everybody. Bye bye.